Alright guys, we're going towards San Bernardino to pick up some coilovers. They're KW-V2 coilovers for the Honda S2000. But then afterwards we're gonna head out to LA and do some things. That sucks. My windshield wiper just broke. I'm kinda sad now. We just picked up the coilovers. It's in the trunk. But yeah, we're gonna get some Korean fried chicken. We're gonna eat some pizza. Yeah, I'll take it.
Just stay there.
Why?
Kinda sussy, bro.
Oh, you fucking retard. You dumb as shit. Hey. And then,
Ooh, that drizzle is like a...
Come. Yeah, dude, it looks like a cum, bro. It's like I'm switching to a Subaru.
A few moments later.
Fell asleep, bro. You're stupid, bro.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
I don't know.
Home Depot.
Here to pick up parts for the coilovers since they didn't give us hardware. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. They don't have the right ones, so we have to use different kinds. Put this down. There you go. And there you go. Goodbye, stock suspension. Here's the new suspension. So we basically got the KW coilovers. It's missing a lot of hardware. We bought like $30 worth of hardware already. So we're going back to Home Depot now. And we're gonna buy some more hardware. Goddamn, alright guys. So we got 3 of the coils in. You can see it in there. Put on the wheels and drop it, and then you guys see the ride height. Oh, we didn't get a difference. Did we get it before?
No.
It was like 3 fingers. It was like 3 fingers from the fender, which is like about there, which is the ride height.
Yeah. Yeah. What was that?
What the fuck? You just left them in there.
Drop that bitch. Dang. Oh!
Oh, that's
Oh!
that's too. Okay, that's not coming out, dude.
It's not?
No.
That's tough.
That thing is slam. Oh no, it's sitting on it. No.
Yes,
Oh wait,
sir.
that's angled there. That's angled. Oh yeah, it's angled.
Oh, dude.
Yo, that shit was scary, bro. Oh my god. Machine, bro. Machine.
That's actually really low.
God damn.
This shit look nice
This looks
now.
nice now.
3 fingers from tire to fender.
Ooh, this is good, dude.
Yeah.
I like it. God damn. Dude, this thing is so fucking good. It's dumb. It looks pretty good just like this. That thing dropped a lot. Let's go on and drive. Dang. Ready for the scrape? The pipe starts scraping, bro. Not too bad. Oh! that sounded something. The rear quarter panel on this side is rubbing. I can hear it. Something rubbing hard. Ready? We're gonna try jacking up the car right now. Fuck it, doesn't even go in, dude. Just hitting the side skirts. Dude, we need wood
This
in the
is a
trunk.
low boy problem right here, dude.
Alright guys, this fender liner is rubbing. Now we're rolling it. to get better fitment. So that's fitment, bro.
That's fitment right there.
There's so much space in here now.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Went a little too low. It's not the quarter panel that's rubbing, but it's the rear bumper that's rubbing.
Yeah, so it's just kind of fucked.
Yeah, so we're just gonna have to raise it up like probably like half an inch. We're going to Wingstop right now. We can get something to eat. Jesus. Oh, first bump. Not too bad.
Oh, dude, that wasn't bad at all. But let's see.
Oh, that sounds bad.
That sounds so
that
bad.
sounds real bad. Oh, first speed bump. We're gonna get stuck on there. We need to bring wood.
There's a speed bump, guys.
How am I supposed to get over this?
Just eat it, bro.
Oh! Oh!
Hey, eat shit now. You better start fucking going sideways, dude.
Oh! That was straight up fucking. What the hell?
Jason, you're not going sideways enough.
That's my exhaust system right there, dude. I can feel it all the way down from my test pipe. Jesus. This is fun, dude. I get the bugs. Let's go. Rub, 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 rub. Rub, 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 rub. Alright, guys. So, we finished installing the coilovers, everything. It's still rubbing a little on the driver's side quarter panel, but it's looking really good. Overall, at least.
Looking a lot better than it used to.
No more wheel gap. It's tucking pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna clean up real quick, but that's gonna be the end of today's videos. The KW coilover was, I don't know, pretty solid. It's pretty comfortable. I would recommend it if you were gonna look for some more expensive coilovers. We got it used, so we got it for a really good price. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for our next week's video. We got some sort of video every single week. We'll be modifying the S2K a lot more, and we'll probably pick up another car or two, but we won't tell you what it is, so you gotta watch to find out. Alright, peace. Whoa! Sheesh!
Dude.